Are you ready to unlock your health potential? There's a powerhouse nutrient you might not know about. It's called taurine. Taurine is essential for your body. It's actually considered a conditionally essential amino acid. This means that your body can produce a certain amount of taurine on its own. But in certain situations, you may need more than your body can make. Taurine plays a critical role in many bodily functions. It supports your brain, heart, muscles, and more. Deficiencies in taurine can lead to several health problems. Stay tuned to learn more about this incredible nutrient. Taurine is a unique type of amino acid. It's found in high concentrations in certain tissues of your body. These tissues include your brain, heart, and muscles. Unlike other amino acids, taurine is not used to build proteins. Instead, it acts as a building block for other important molecules. It also functions as a neurotransmitter. This means it helps transmit signals in your brain. Taurine also acts as an antioxidant. Antioxidants protect your cells against damage from free radicals. Taurine is naturally found in some foods. Good sources include meat, seafood, and dairy products. You can also get taurine from supplements. Stay tuned to learn more. Taurine is often called a brain booster. It plays a vital role in supporting cognitive function. It helps maintain the health of your brain cells, called neurons. Taurine also protects your brain from oxidative stress. One of taurine's key functions in the brain is to regulate calcium levels. Calcium is essential for nerve signal transmission. However, too much calcium can be harmful to neurons. Taurine acts as a gatekeeper, ensuring the right amount of calcium is present for optimal brain function. This regulation helps to prevent overexcitation of neurons. By keeping calcium levels in check, taurine contributes to a healthy and balanced brain environment. Taurine also promotes the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. This is crucial for learning, memory, and overall cognitive health. Let's dive a little deeper into how taurine works in the brain. Taurine acts as a neurotransmitter, which is a chemical messenger. Neurotransmitters allow neurons to communicate with each other. This communication is essential for all brain functions. Taurine is considered an inhibitory neurotransmitter. This means it helps to calm down the nervous system. It prevents overstimulation and promotes relaxation. Taurine binds to specific receptors on neurons. This binding action triggers a series of chemical reactions. By regulating neurotransmission, taurine plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy mood, improving sleep quality, and enhancing cognitive performance. Beyond its role in the brain, taurine is also essential for the proper functioning of the entire nervous system. The nervous system is your body's control center. It receives, processes, and transmits information throughout your body. Taurine helps to maintain the health of nerve cells, called neurons. It protects these cells from damage caused by toxins and oxidative stress. Taurine also supports the production of myelin. Myelin is a fatty substance that insulates nerve fibers. This efficient transmission is crucial for quick reflexes, coordinated movements, and overall nervous system function. Now, let's move on to another important function of taurine bile synthesis. Bile is a greenish-yellow fluid produced by your liver. It plays a crucial role in digestion and detoxification. Taurine is a key component of bile acids. Bile acids are molecules that help break down fats in your small intestine. They act like detergents, emulsifying fats into smaller droplets. This emulsification makes it easier for your body to digest and absorb fats. Without sufficient taurine, your body can't produce enough bile acids. Did you know that taurine is highly concentrated in your eyes? That's because it plays a vital role in maintaining eye health. In fact, taurine is the most abundant amino acid found in the retina. The retina is the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye. Taurine acts as an antioxidant in the eye, protecting delicate retinal cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. Taurine also supports the overall health and function of retinal cells. By protecting against oxidative stress and supporting retinal cell health, taurine is crucial for maintaining good vision. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a major health concern. It's a leading risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and other serious conditions. Interestingly, taurine has been shown to play a role in regulating blood pressure. One way taurine helps lower blood pressure is by reducing the activity of angiotensin II. Angiotensin II is a hormone that constricts blood vessels. Taurine counteracts the effects of angiotensin II by promoting vasodilation. Vasodilation is the widening of blood vessels, which helps lower blood pressure. By reducing angiotensin II activity and improving endothelial function, taurine acts as a natural blood pressure regulator. Let's move on to another remarkable benefit of taurine: its role in supporting your immune system. Your immune system is your body's defense force. It protects you from harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Taurine helps to keep this defense system strong and effective. One way taurine supports immunity is by modulating the activity of immune cells. These cells include lymphocytes, macrophages, and neutrophils. These cells are responsible for identifying and destroying pathogens. Taurine helps to ensure these cells function optimally, enhancing their ability to fight off infections. Taurine also exhibits anti-inflammatory properties. While inflammation is a natural part of the immune response, chronic inflammation can be detrimental to health. Taurine helps to dampen excessive inflammation, protecting your body from its harmful effects. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a common problem. Chronic stress can take a toll on both your physical and mental health. Interestingly, taurine has been shown to have stress-reducing effects. These effects are partly due to its interaction with GABA, a neurotransmitter in your brain. GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid, is known as the calming neurotransmitter. Taurine has been found to increase GABA levels in the brain, leading to a sense of calm and well-being. By boosting GABA activity, taurine helps to counteract the effects of stress hormones like cortisol. Taurine helps to restore balance, promoting a sense of calmness and reducing anxiety. By mitigating the negative impacts of stress, taurine contributes to overall well-being. Quality sleep is essential for optimal health and well-being. It allows your body to repair and rejuvenate, leaving you feeling refreshed and energized. If you're struggling to get a good night's rest, taurine might be able to help. Research suggests that taurine can improve sleep quality in several ways. Firstly, as we discussed earlier, taurine increases GABA levels in the brain. This increase in GABA activity promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Taurine helps to ensure the timely release of melatonin, promoting a healthy sleep-wake pattern. Incorporating taurine-rich foods or supplements into your diet could be a natural way to enhance your sleep quality. Let's dive into the microscopic world of your cells to understand another critical role of taurine. Imagine your cells are like tiny houses, and the cell membrane is the wall that protects everything inside. Taurine acts like a strengthening agent for these walls, ensuring their integrity and stability. The cell membrane is made up of fats and proteins. It controls what goes in and out of the cell, keeping the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. Taurine helps to maintain the proper structure and fluidity of this membrane, ensuring it functions optimally. This structural support is vital for various cellular processes, including nutrient uptake, waste removal, and communication between cells. Water is essential for life, but maintaining the right balance of fluids inside and outside of your cells is crucial. This balancing act is called osmoregulation, and taurine plays a vital role in this process. Think of taurine as a tiny water regulator within your cells. When there's too much fluid outside of a cell, taurine helps to draw it in, preventing the cell from shrinking. Conversely, when there's too much fluid inside, taurine helps to channel some of it out, preventing the cell from swelling and bursting. Taurine's osmoregulatory function is especially important in organs like the kidneys, which are responsible for filtering waste products from the blood and regulating fluid balance throughout the body. Calcium is a mineral with a dual personality. It's essential for various bodily functions, including muscle contraction, nerve transmission, and bone health. However, too much calcium inside cells can be toxic, leading to cell damage and even cell death. That's where taurine comes in, acting as a calcium regulator. Taurine helps to maintain the delicate balance of calcium within cells, ensuring there's enough for essential functions without reaching harmful levels. By regulating calcium influx and efflux, taurine prevents calcium overload, protecting cells from damage. This regulation is crucial for the health of various organs, especially the heart. Taurine's ability to modulate calcium levels helps to maintain a healthy heart rhythm and prevent these potentially dangerous irregularities. As we've seen, taurine plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity and function of your cells, but its benefits go beyond just structural support and fluid balance. Taurine also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. Taurine acts like a free radical scavenger, neutralizing these harmful molecules and preventing them from causing damage. This antioxidant activity is crucial for protecting your cells from oxidative stress, which is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. By scavenging free radicals and reducing oxidative stress, taurine contributes to overall health and longevity. Let's explore how taurine, that amazing amino acid, can actually help with weight management. It all comes down to its role in bile production. Now, remember bile? That greenish-yellow fluid made by your liver? We talked about it earlier. Well, bile is crucial for digesting fats. Taurine helps your liver produce bile acids. These acids break down fats in your small intestine, making them easier to digest and absorb. Efficient fat digestion can indirectly contribute to weight management. Taurine may also support weight management by improving insulin sensitivity. Whether you're an athlete or just someone who enjoys staying active, muscle function and recovery are essential. Taurine plays a crucial role in both. It's found in high concentrations in muscle tissue and helps with muscle contraction and energy production. Taurine regulates calcium levels, ensuring smooth muscle contractions and preventing cramps. It also reduces muscle damage and soreness, aiding faster recovery. So, whether you're hitting the gym or staying active, taurine supports your muscle function and recovery. Who wouldn't want to feel young and vibrant for as long as possible? Taurine has garnered attention for its potential anti-aging benefits. It may contribute to longevity by protecting against cellular damage. Taurine acts as a potent antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals. This can help slow down the aging process at the cellular level. As we've explored in this video, taurine is a remarkable nutrient with a wide range of health benefits, from its role in brain function and cardiovascular health to its support for muscle recovery and potential anti-aging effects. Taurine is truly a versatile nutrient. While more research is always being conducted, the existing evidence strongly suggests that taurine plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health and well-being. As we continue to uncover its secrets, taurine may hold even greater promise for preventing and treating various health conditions. Incorporating taurine-rich foods or supplements into your diet could be a wise investment in your long-term health and vitality. We've covered a lot of ground about taurine. It's a powerhouse nutrient, often overlooked. From your brain to your muscles, from your heart to your eyes, taurine keeps your body functioning at its best. It's versatile, acting as a neurotransmitter, bile acid precursor, and antioxidant. Boost brain power, enhance performance, support immunity. Taurine deserves a spot on your radar. I hope this video has given you a newfound appreciation for the amazing benefits of taurine. It's truly a remarkable nutrient that can have a profound impact on your health. Consult with your healthcare provider to see if taurine is right for you. Thank you for joining me on this journey to unlock your health potential with taurine. Subscribe for more informative content. Share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, stay healthy and keep striving for optimal well-being.